In this screencast, I would like to show you how to set up DoTheyUse service Docker container on your computer. And these installation instructions are located in documentation section of the app, so you can get into it and see that under your uhost section you have instructions at Docker Hub. So we go there. Here we have docker pull command, so we get the image. I have this image already on my computer. It will take some time for you to get the image. And here below we have different presets of commands for this image. If you plan just to try how it works, I recommend you to use first command. If you would like to connect to database, use the second. And if you plan to use to subscribe to this service and use new Docker image as they get published, I recommend you to use the last one command. I will use the last one. So we run Docker image, Docker container with external database volume and these ports for the service and for database client. They are default. So it takes about 15 seconds for Docker image to start, and it will start on localhost. So we see it's already started and with instructions. So it doesn't look like our application because there is no data yet, and that's why we have already pre-configured sample web app, so we can play with it and return back here to see what will change. So we have simple demo app. We can play here, for example, I play with clicking on the links. I can enable and disable checkbox and radio and press the button. And then we can return back here and refresh the screen and see that all our interactions appeared here under data source, my sample app. If we, for example, have many interactions, now we have them all here. I just checked checkbox. So the app works, it's available and it's running on localhost. Check out other videos on how to configure such application, how to get SDK work in your application, and also overall video of the features available for you in DoTheyUse application. Thank you.